Today's topic is going to be all about Melissa. Melissa essential oil is such a precious one indeed. So stay tuned, stick around, and then at the very end, I'm going to share with you where you can apply Melissa to reach a chakra. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of the awesome essential oil education coming your way. One of the rarest of doTERRA's essential oils is Melissa. It has a wide range of benefits and uses. In particular, it provides powerful support to the nervous and immune systems and promotes healthy cellular function. You can take 1 to 2 drops internally to promote a healthy immune system as well. Take 2 drops internally to promote a healthy cardiovascular levels already in the normal range. You can apply a drop under your tongue and swallow to support healthy cellular function. Diffuse at night to lessen feelings of anxiousness and stress. Or you can add Melissa to your daily moisturizer for a rejuvenating skin experience. Melissa, also known as lemon balm, has been used as part of traditional health practices in Europe for over 2,000 years. It was used to support cognitive health and to calm the nervous system, support digestive system, and promote healthy immune function. The Melissa plant has been one of the lowest yielding essential oils, which means it takes the most plant matter to produce a single bottle of Melissa oil, making Melissa essential oil especially precious. Melissa contains many chemical constituents, all of which are supportive to the immune system. Experimental research suggests that citral has internal cleansing properties that have helped support healthy immune system function when needed most. When taken internally, Melissa helps support healthy immune responses. It also provides antioxidant support. Like frankincense, Melissa is supportive of cellular health. The citral content in particular supports healthy cellular function in the nervous system when taken internally. Take a drop or 2 of Melissa under the tongue every morning to promote healthy cellular function support, cognitive health, and soothe the nervous system. I love adding a half a drop to my finger and placing it on top of the roof of my mouth every single day. It is extremely supportive. Well, you're probably like, well, what does Melissa smell like? Well, the fresh, herbaceous aroma of this essential oil is calming and soothing. Diffuse or rub it on your chest to lessen stress and promote emotional well-being. It can be especially helpful at night to promote feelings of relaxation and help encourage a restful night's sleep. Mix Melissa and lavender essential oils together and with a fractionated coconut oil if needed, and massage to the body to promote calm and to soothe the mind.